Hey, what's up? Hope all is well. It's your boy Serrano. Welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be taking a look at a pair of headphones from TOZO, and these are going to be the NC9s. These are going to have active noise cancellation, IPX8 waterproof. They're also going to give you 5.3 Bluetooth as well as 59 hours of battery. So let's just go ahead and jump into these. They come in the matte red. They also come in the black and the blue. But if you're brand new, I truly appreciate you for coming through if you're new. But if you're already a part of the crew, salute. Hey, what's up? Hope all is well. It's your boy Serrano. Welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be taking a look at the TOZO NC9's 2024 version with the LCD display. And these are going to be packing a lot of solid features that I want to jump into. Make sure you stay locked into the end of the video. And if you're brand new to the channel, I truly appreciate you for coming through if you're new. But yeah, these are actually going to be marked down from $55 to $39, and I'll make sure I leave the cheapest link down below. And so these are going to be offering you the card for support. You also do get the caution card. You also have a quick start, as well as the user manual inside of the box, as well as a short Type-C cable, which is going to allow you to charge these up. And so yeah, I definitely think this is going to be pretty cool because they're going to offer 6 pairs of tips that you can use, 18 months warranty as well inside. So these are going to be supported for a long period of time. And so yeah, these are going to come in a variety of different colors: the matte red, the dark blue. And they're also going to be giving you the dark black, which I have here. And so once you get these outside of the box, they're going to be really nice. So yeah, you have that film over the black case, and so once you get that off, you have a reset button on there as well as a LED display. And so they're going to offer the most ergonomic design possible for extremely comfortable fit for long periods of listening time. But yeah, overall, I definitely think this video is going to help you out with whether or not you should pick these up overall. And so you're probably trying to figure out if these are the right earphones for you. And so yeah, we're going to be going through all of the features. And so the purpose of this video is to make it easier for you to make a better buying decision. So I actually want to jump into the pairing process when it comes to the TOZO NC9s. And so it's going to be pretty straightforward because all you have to do is go into your Bluetooth settings on your smartphone and then take the headphones out of the case, put them inside of your ear, and you're going to hear a noise once it's in your ear, and it's going to let you know that it's actually recognizing that it's in your ear. So once you pair it up to the TOZO app, it's going to allow you to customize them completely. And so you're going to have the transparency mode on here. You're also going to have the noise cancellation mode on here. And so there's going to be a lot of customizations when it comes to noise cancellation. So you can customize these to your own personal preference. And when it comes to the EQ mode, it has over 32 customizations to choose from. And so when I first set up the TOZO app, there was an update, so I downloaded that right away, and I was able to actually stay up to date with all the latest features on here. And so these do have the transparency mode. They will have that noise cancellation mode, and the noise cancellation works very well. It will block out all the background noise up to 45 dB, and it's going to allow you to stay immersed in your music without any distractions from the outside world and focus on everything that's going on around you, but still maintaining interaction with the music. So yeah, it's going to basically filter out all those background sounds. And so I definitely think that's going to be a solid feature. It's also going to come with the gaming mode, which will allow you to experience low latency when you're gaming. And so the charging case is going to pack a lot of battery as well. So we're going to jump into the battery, but yeah, the LED light on here is really good because it's going to allow you to see the battery percentage at all times. And so I definitely think that these are going to be perfect when it comes to comfort, because it's going to allow you to pick from 6 different replaceable ear caps to ensure maximum comfort. So talking more on the battery life on these headphones, you're actually going to get 6 hours with the active noise cancellation turned on. With the active noise cancellation turned off, you're going to get up to 10 hours of music playback. And then the charging case will provide you up to 24 hours of battery life, allowing for multiple charges on the go. And so you can get quick charge on these headphones. 15 minutes of charging provides up to 2 hours of playtime on these headphones. The NC9s have a built-in 10mm driver and exclusive OrigX Acoustic 2.0 sound technology, delivering deep, rich, and precise audio with clarity, allowing you to enjoy your music, movies, and also phone calls and overall experience. So I definitely think these are going to be solid, but let me know what you guys think about the audio experience when it comes to the microphones. Hey, what's going on? It's your boy Serrano. This is a quick mic test on the TOZO NC9s. Let me know what you guys think about the sound quality right now. And now I'm going to turn on some background noise. Right now, I have the headphones connected to a Bluetooth speaker. So let's go ahead and press play. Let me know if you guys can still hear my voice. I'm going to turn it down a lot. Alright, let me know if you can still hear my voice right now. The volume is about a quarter of the way up now. Alright, this is what it sounds like when it's just the microphones while I'm in an indoor environment. So let me know what you guys think about the TOZO NC9s, okay? So just to summarize these headphones, I definitely think these are going to be packing so many features. The hybrid active noise cancellation with 3-layer noise reduction. Also the microphone, which is going to detect external noise and counteract it with anti-noise. You also do have 45 dB, which is going to reduce all the surrounding sounds around you. These are going to pack 60 hours of battery life, as well as 6 hours on a single charge with the ANC on and 10 with it off. And then you're going to get the TOZO app with the 32 modes with the EQ. So these are going to deliver an extremely clean, powerful, and rich sound quality, and they're going to also give you the IPX waterproof resistance when you're using these. But yeah, the transparent mode seemed to allow me to hear everything that was going on around me. The noise cancellation mode and the microphones were very good as well, and so the battery was exceptional. Also, the features on here were extremely pleasant in addition to that. But let me know what you guys think about the TOZO NC9s, and if you're still here, just type down below I'm still here, so I know you're still kicking it with me. And I just want to remind you to hit the like button so we can get this video out to more people, and I'll hit you back. I'll check you guys later. Peace. Later, crew. Bye.